everyone, I'm Sakshi Bhatnagar, and if you are like-minded, then just click the subscribe button. Image is something which you can make or you can break. So let me tell you a story. Like when I was a kid, I was like 16 or 17. So at that time, I used to feel like that I'm beautiful, yes, but not very beautiful. Not very beautiful. But then I realized with time that I need to groom myself. So your image, your appearance matters a lot in your life. During this pandemic, I know that we are not going out, we are not chilling, we're not clubbing, but I feel that dressing up is something which you should do every day. And especially I would request to uncles and auntie that you should dress up every day, okay? Like what my mom does is, like, I can give that example. What she does is that she always dresses up so that she's like active. She puts a small bindi. So I think this is a perfect example which I can give right now. Every time we meet somebody, consciously or unconsciously, that person actually notices our appearance, how we are dressed. They notice it. Like, I know that some people will not accept it, but yeah, people do judge you, and that's something. Now here, don't get me wrong, I don't mean to say that people are judging you so you have to dress up well. It's not like that. You have to dress up well for yourself. You should exercise, you should meditate, okay? People just subconsciously judge you. So, and that is a fact. I know some people will take time to digest that fact, but yes, that's a fact. Now, why do people get attracted towards Salman Khan, the actor Salman Khan, and also Gaurav Kapoor, the anchor, the TV presenter? Because they take care of themselves, they have a good personality. Then obviously we just get attracted towards them like a magnet. Yeah, so that's what I'm trying to say. Okay, so the reason why I started with this YouTube channel and started making fashion videos as well, because I love dressing up, and maybe it was one of the reasons to dress up. So yeah, it's very important to take care of your appearance. I know, like, in this pandemic, like, people are very tensed and kind of disturbed as well. So guys, I would suggest you, why don't you just take your favorite t-shirt out and just wear it. I know there's a lot of work going on around, I understand that, but why don't you wear your favorite t-shirt, your favorite perfume? Since we all are in home, so I think that you should give some effort to your looks as well. If you want to grow your hair, if you want to grow your nails, just see like how you can do it, right? I'm not saying be a Barbie doll and do nothing. Do your work as well, but you have to manage everything. You have to respect yourself as well, right? Appearance and grooming matters a lot. So like, if you want to just play with your hair, like just blow dry your hair, curl your hair, do different things with your hair, wear a hair extension. Yeah, that is actually something I forgot about. So I'll tell you something. Like, there's a friend of mine, she's older than me, and she is very pretty, and she is always saying that I was hot, I was pretty. So I was like, why do you think you were pretty? I mean, like, you're still so hot. So she was like, no, not that. I was like, okay. Then when I came back to my home, I was just looking out our pictures together, and I actually noticed one thing, that she wears less of accessories and she doesn't put a lot of makeup. So I just called her up and I said, dude, you're still hot. What is the reason? She was like, what? Like, what do you mean? So I was like, you know what? You just need to wear a lot of accessories. I mean, like, not like dressed with accessories, but yeah, accessorize yourself. And also take care of your body. Only 2 things, okay? So yeah, our appearance matters this much. And there's nothing wrong if you don't want to put makeup. There are some girls who don't like to put makeup a lot, including me. So yeah, You can do one thing. You can, either use lipstick, a red lipstick, just a red lipstick, or just a blush, and you are done for the day. Even if you have just 5 outfits, just take care of these 5 outfits. Just iron them. Look clean, look tidy. Yeah, these are the only things I'm talking about basically. There's a very funny incident which happened with me. Like, I went to a mall and people were being very friendly towards me and smiling at me, and I was like, what's happening? Then I realized that I'm dressed up so well, and the basic thing is that if you respect your body, then people will respect you. So that's what was happening. And I'm not talking about only the girl's image or appearance, I'm also talking about guys. Like, wear your favorite t-shirts, wear your favorite perfumes, and get ready. And also, you'll feel better about it. Take bath every day, be tidy, take care of your nails. Some people have end up number of excuses, okay? Like, some people would say, I have kids, so I need to take care of them, so I cannot take care of myself. Okay, so you have time to scroll down the social media for 1 hour or 2 hours, but you cannot work on yourself. Yeah, that's the question. Basically, think about it. Like, you're scrolling and seeing another people's stories and actually appreciating them for what they are doing, and for their appearance. So you should also think about your appearance, right? I have friends like who are too fit, like I would say better than me, and they have kids, and I feel that that's lovely that they take care of the appearance even if they're homemakers, and I think that's the most beautiful thing. Take care of yourself, stay classy, and also subscribe to my channel.
Love me like that.